You know, one rider doubled his brake pad life with a $3 toothbrush. Another stopped engine overheating using a kitchen sponge. These aren't gimmicks, they're real hacks. Smart riders use daily. If you ride, wrench, or even wash your bike, these 13 tricks can save you time, cash, and major headaches. Hack number 1. Use a toothbrush to triple your brake life. Dirt and brake dust build up fast around your calipers. That grime doesn't just look bad. It increases pad wear by up to 30%, according to a 2023 study by EBC Brakes. Riders who clean their calipers monthly can get 3,000 to 5,000 extra miles out of a single set of pads. All it takes is a soft bristle toothbrush and a bit of brake cleaner. Scrub around the pistons and pad edges. Don't spray directly on discs if they're hot. Number 2. Pool noodle for crash protection. Ever drop your bike at a standstill and crack a fairing? A lot of riders have. And most don't know that cutting up a $2 pool noodle can save you from $300 in bodywork repairs. Cut 2 6-inch sections and zip tie them under your crash bars or even along the side of your luggage racks. They absorb impact better than hard sliders in slow drops, especially in parking lots or garage tip-overs. This trick is popular in the ADV community, where riders crash often at low speeds. No tools, no drilling, just clever cushioning. Number 3. Sponge in the radiator grill. Your radiator is constantly exposed to bugs, sand, and small stones, and a clogged radiator can cause overheating, fast. Instead of expensive guards, some riders place a cut kitchen sponge behind the grill during city rides. It filters debris and can be rinsed and reused. It's not for high-speed airflow, but around town or in dusty areas, it works. One mechanic from Arizona said he's seen at least 10 bikes overheat due to bug-clogged fins during spring riding season alone. Prevention takes 60 seconds and $1. Check out the link in the description if you want to grab the secret tools I personally use on my motorcycles. Number 4. Credit card as an emergency chain tool. No chain tool? No problem, at least temporarily. A rigid plastic card can help align a master link or press side plates into place in a pinch. While this isn't a replacement for real tools, it can get you rolling if your chain snaps mid-ride. Some riders keep expired cards in their tool pouch just for this. It's especially useful for clip-style master links, where finger pressure isn't enough. Just wedge the card between the side plate and link to press evenly. It's been used in roadside fixes more than you'd think. Number 5. Zip tie your levers for DIY brake bleeding. Got spongy brakes but no vacuum pump? Try the old racer trick. Zip tie your front brake lever down overnight. It keeps pressure in the system and slowly forces micro bubbles up into the reservoir. Not as effective as a full bleed, but riders report noticeably firmer feel the next day. This trick works especially well after replacing lines or calipers, where small air pockets linger. Brake techs on forums like ADV Rider confirm it's a safe hack, as long as your master cylinder is clean and topped up. Number 6. Rubber band. Throttle lock for long rides. Cruise control too expensive? Wrap a thick rubber band around your throttle grip and bar end weight. Roll it under your palm and it gives just enough friction to hold your throttle at steady RPM on long highways. It's not as fancy as an electronic system, but for under $1, it reduces wrist fatigue on long hauls. Riders on long-distance trips, including iron butt challengers, swear by this as a backup. Just be smart. Only use it on empty stretches and keep your fingers ready to override at all times. Number 7. Use baby powder to mount tires easier. Changing your own tires? Professional shops often use tire lube, but a bit of unscented baby powder on the bead makes installation smoother without damaging the rim. It reduces friction as the tire slips over the wheel and prevents the inner tube from pinching during inflation. This hack is especially popular among dirt bike and dual sport riders, where tire changes happen more often. It also reduces moisture buildup inside tube-type tires. Michelin even recommends this method in some of their off-road service guides. If even one of these tricks surprised you, imagine what else you're missing. Hit that subscribe button so you never ride blind again, and unlock smarter ways to protect your bike and your wallet. Number 8. Keep your hands toasty without heated grips. Not every rider wants to drop $200 on heated grips, especially if you only ride in cold weather occasionally. But here's a hack from riders up north. Use foam pipe insulation. Cut a slit in basic foam tubing, the kind you'd use to insulate water pipes, and wrap it around your grips before slipping on your gloves. The foam blocks cold wind and insulates heat from your palms. It's not pretty, but riders in places like Michigan and Alberta swear by it for spring and fall riding. One commuter said this hack helped him survive 38-degree Fahrenheit mornings with just thin gloves, and it cost him $3 at the hardware store. You can even duct tape them in place for longer rides. It won't match real heated grips, but it bridges the gap surprisingly well. Number 9. Use toothpaste to clean foggy headlights. It sounds ridiculous until you try it. Foggy or yellowed headlights make your bike look older and reduce your visibility. You could pay $20 to $30 for headlight polish, but common white toothpaste, not gel, contains mild abrasives perfect for plastic lenses. Dab a bit on a microfiber cloth, rub in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with water and dry. The result? Clearer headlights and better light projection. Riders prepping their bikes for resale love this trick. It can add hundreds to perceived value with just one 10-minute job. Number 10. Keep your helmet liner smelling fresh with coffee grounds. No one wants a helmet that smells like a gym sock, but washing your liner isn't always quick or easy. Here's a smart hack. Take a sock, fill it with dry coffee grounds, tie the end, and stuff it in your helmet overnight. Coffee grounds are natural odor absorbers, and unlike baking soda, they won't leave white powder everywhere. Riders in tropical climates, where sweat is unavoidable, swear by this for multi-day rides. It leaves a subtle roasted coffee scent, which beats the usual sweat and bug guts any day. Number 11. Use a cheap shower cap to cover your seat. Ever park your bike under the sun or during rain, then return to a soaking wet or sizzling hot seat? Here's the $1 hack. Keep a disposable shower cap under your seat. When you park, stretch it over your saddle. It protects from UV rays, keeps the seat dry, and doesn't blow off if you tuck it under the edges. Riders at big rally events like Sturgis or Daytona often carry extras in their saddlebags for friends. Number 12. Tie your key to a lanyard on long rides. Sounds too simple, right? But riders who've lost keys on the road know the pain. Your key can slip from your ignition or pocket during a gas stop, or worse, bounce out on rough roads. By tying your bike key to a bright lanyard and clipping it to your belt or jacket, you instantly reduce the chances of losing it. Some even tuck a spare key inside their jacket lining, taped under the pocket flap. This small habit can prevent a big disaster. Number 13. Use a zip tie as an emergency throttle lock. Ever ridden hundreds of highway miles without cruise control? Your wrist feels like it's made of jelly halfway through. Riders have been using zip ties for years as DIY throttle locks. Wrap a thick zip tie around your throttle grip, trim it, then rotate it forward when cruising. It creates friction between the grip and the housing, holding the throttle slightly open. It's not true cruise control, but it eases pressure on your wrist for long hauls. It will help with no wrist cramp, no sketchy behavior, just smarter riding. Bonus hack. Stash emergency cash in your bar ends. If your bike has hollow handlebar ends with removable plugs, you're sitting on hidden treasure space. Riders have long been hiding rolled-up bills, emergency contact info, or even a spare key inside them. Wrap a few 20s in plastic wrap or a tiny zip bag, roll it tight, and wedge it into the bar end. That way, if you lose your wallet, get stranded without gas, or need to pay tolls, you've got backup. Best part? Thieves almost never check your handlebars for valuables.